Hi everyone, I'm Mohanisha, also known as the Curlicious Mino. Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is quite interesting as you have already read the title. So we are going to talk about two things. First, how to measure your body correctly, and second, how to determine your body shape. So basically there are 5 types of body shape. So now don't get confused with body shapes and body types. Body types and body shapes are completely different things. There are 3 types of body types and 5 types of body shapes. So we are going to talk about body types some other time, but for now just know that there are 3 types of body types. So before starting, let's get some basic things clear. First, wear a very thin clothing which should not add any bulk, because अगर आप मोटा कपड़ा पहनेंगे तो आपकी measurements गलत आएगी. Second, try not to wear a bra or wear a very basic bra which should not change the size or shape of your bust. No push-up or padded bra will work here. And wear a legging as it is very body hugging. It will help during the measurements.
Take a measuring tape. Take someone's help if it is difficult for you to measure. First measurement should be widest part of your shoulder. Widest part is not exactly where your bone is. It is slightly downward. अगर आपको फील हो आपकी टेप सरक रही है तो फिर वो वाइडेस्ट पार्ट पे नहीं है. कीप योर टेप स्ट्रेट एंड पैरेलल ऑल अराउंड. नाउ नोट दैट मेजरमेंट. सेकेंड इज योर चेस्ट और बस्ट मेजरमेंट. टेक द फुलेस्ट पार्ट एंड कीप योर टेप पैरेलल ऑल अराउंड योर बॉडी. हमेशा मेजर करते वक्त 1 फिंगर बीच में रखें ताकि टेप बहुत टाइट ना हो. नेक्स्ट इज योर वेस्ट मेजरमेंट. आपकी नेचुरल वेस्ट वो नहीं होती जहाँ आपकी नाभि होती है. नेचुरल वेस्ट थोड़ी ऊपर होती है, जस्ट बिलो योर रिब केज. या तो हाथ रख के डिटरमाइन कर सकते हैं और एल्स बॉडी को साइड टिल्ट करो जहाँ पे फोल्ड आए वो आपकी नेचुरल वेस्ट है. मेजर दैट पार्ट एंड नोट इट डाउन. अगर आपको मेजरमेंट देखने में तकलीफ हो रही है तो आप ये मिरर के सामने भी कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट फाइनल मेजरमेंट आर योर हिप्स. So again we will measure the widest part or fullest part of our hips, which is not at the bones of your hip but below it. You can feel your fullest part with your hands. Measure that part and note it down.
अब हम हमारे measurements handy रखेंगे as that will help us determine our body shapes. So let's dive into it. So the first body shape is triangle or generally known as pear-shaped body. So as the shape suggests of a triangle, the widest part of your body are your hips. This is the most common body shape in women. अगर आपके shoulder measurement से आपके hip measurement 2 inches ज़्यादा है या आपके chest measurement से आपके hip measurement 4 inches ज़्यादा है, then आप triangle shape category में आते हो. So the famous examples of this body shape are Ileana D'Cruz, Beyonce, Jennifer Lopez, and Parineeti Chopra. In the pictures you can see they are trying to hide their wide hips. This is what exactly you need to do. Accentuate your small waist by wearing wide leg pants or A-line skirts or mermaid dress, which will bring attention to your waist and hide your hips. Or you can also play around by showing your legs just like Rihanna here is doing. So next body shape is inverted triangle, just like that triangle body shape but flip it over. So here the widest part are your shoulders. ये body shape बहुत कम women का होता है because by nature women are not designed that way. जो बहुत ज़्यादा workout करते हैं या फिर athlete हैं, सिर्फ उनके ये ऐसे body shape होते हैं because it is a very sporty body shape, having broad shoulders and very lean waist. So if your shoulders are 2 inches or more wider than your hips, then you are inverted triangle. So famous examples for this body shape are Bipasha Basu, Angelina Jolie, Cameron Diaz. In the picture you can see Angelina Jolie never stands straight. या तो वो हमेशा अपने shoulders tilt करके रहती है जिससे body shape में नजर आती है, और शोल्डर्स छोटे नजर आते हैं, या तो फिर वो हमेशा ऑफ शोल्डर पहनती है जिससे शोल्डर्स पे बल्क क्रिएट नहीं होता. सेम विद बिपाशा बसु एंड कैमरन डियाज. सो द थर्ड बॉडी शेप इज ओवल और एप्पल. Here, your shoulder, waist and hips are fairly uniform. Your shoulder and hips can be narrow and you can have an undefined waistline. So basically, अगर किसी भी body shape पे excess fat store हो जाए तो ये body shape बन जाएगा. Generally, all our moms and nowadays some youngsters have this body shape. Famous examples of this body shape are Sonakshi Sinha, Vidya Balan, Queen Latifah. In the pictures, you can see either Vidya Balan is wearing a straight dress which is not at all body hugging, or she is wearing a deep V-neck, but again the dress has extra cloth or silhouette to hide her undefined waist. Same with Queen Latifah, she is also wearing a very drapey fabric and showing off her upper or lower body, or she is wearing a deep V-neck. So the fourth body shape is typical supermodel's shape from the 90s. Straight boiled silhouette without too many curves, which is known as rectangle, where all your body measurements are almost same. Generally, you don't have a defined waist, so that is where you need to work and define your waist. So the famous examples for this body shape are Anushka Sharma, Deepika Padukone, और Gwyneth Paltrow, जिसने भी Marvel movies देखी है, they know who she is, Pepper Potts, और Anne Hathaway. See how Anushka Sharma is always trying to create that belt-like structure around her waist, to create that waistline. Or see how Anne Hathaway is always wearing a body-hugging dress to create those curves around her body. So the final body shape is the men's fantasy or the perfect figure, hourglass shape. So this is the exact opposite of rectangle because you have a very well-defined waist. Your shoulder and hips have the same measurements and are the widest part of your body, and your waist is at least 8 inches slimmer than your shoulder or hips. It is the most balanced shape to the eye as it creates that perfect hourglass shape. So the famous examples are Yami Gautam, Disha Patani or Sofia Vergara. So in the picture you can see Yami and Sofia are wearing the perfect dress which accentuates their body, that is mermaid dress. And Disha Patani is also wearing a very body-hugging dress in which she is looking perfect. So these were all the body shapes and famous examples. If you're interested to know more about your body shape and styling tips for the same, then please comment below. अगर आप YouTube पे देख रहे हैं, then please like, share and subscribe. अगर आप Facebook या Instagram पे देख रहे हैं, then please follow my page. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.